Welcome back. Now, the speaker coach is also available inside of Microsoft PowerPoint. And if you go to the slideshow area, what you'll see here is that you can go here to this area and this button, it says to rehearse with coach. If you click on that button, then you can allow your microphone to be used. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go through your presentation. And then Microsoft Speaker Coach is going to interact with you in real time. So we're going to allow our microphone to be used, and we're going to go through aspects of our presentation, and we're going to do it so that Microsoft Speaker Coach can work with us to improve our presentation skills. What is Microsoft Copilot Pro and how can a solopreneur use it? Streamline your daily tasks. Microsoft Copilot Pro can help you manage your daily tasks by providing an overview for the pending tasks of the day. So as you can see, Microsoft Speaker Coach will allow you to improve your speaking skills in real time. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.